Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Justifying texts 11-12, texts 13-15 of chapter 16, the divine and demoniac natures of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Texts 11-12. Chintama parimeyama cha pralayanta mupashritaha kamopa bhoga parma etava diti निश्र विताह आशा पाशश तैर बद्धाः काम क्रोध परायणाः इहन्ते काम भोगार्थ मनयाये नार्थ संशयान. They believe that to gratify the senses is the prime necessity of human civilization. Thus, until the end of life, their anxiety is immeasurable. Bound by a network of hundreds of thousands of desires and absorbed in lust and anger, they secure money by illegal means for sense gratification. The demoniac accept that the enjoyment of the senses is the ultimate goal of life, and this concept they maintain until death. They do not believe in life after death, and they do not believe that one takes on different types of bodies according to one's karma or activities in this world. Their plans for life are never finished, and they go on preparing plan after plan, all of which are never finished. We have personal experience of a person of such demoniac mentality who, even at the point of death, was requesting the physician to prolong his life for 4 years more because his plans were not yet complete. Such foolish people do not know that a physician cannot prolong life even for a moment. When the notice is there, there is no consideration of the man's desire. The laws of nature do not allow a second beyond what one is destined to enjoy. The demoniac person who has no faith in God or the super soul within himself performs all kinds of sinful activities simply for sense gratification. He does not know that there is a witness sitting within his heart. The super soul is observing the activities of the individual soul. As it is stated in the Upanishads, there are two birds sitting on one tree. One is acting and enjoying or suffering the fruits of the branches, and the other is witnessing. But one who is demoniac has no knowledge of Vedic scripture, nor has he any faith. Therefore, he feels free to do anything for sense enjoyment, regardless of the consequences. Texts 13-15. Idamadaya maya labdhamimam prapasye manoratham. इदमस्ति दमपि मे भविष्यति पुनर्धनम असौ मया हतः शत्रुर हनिश्चये चापरानपि ईश्वरो अहम हम भोगी सिद्धो अहम बलवान सुखी आढ़यो अभिजन वानस्मि को अन्यो अस्ति सदृशो मया यक्षये दासयामि मोदिशय इतयत् ज्ञान विमोहिताः. The demoniac person thinks, so much wealth do I have today, and I will gain more according to my schemes. So much is mine now, and it will increase in the future more and more. He is my enemy, and I have killed him, and my other enemies will also be killed. I am the Lord of everything. I am the enjoyer. I am perfect, powerful, and happy. I am the richest man, surrounded by aristocratic relatives. There is none so powerful and happy as I am. I shall perform sacrifices. I shall give some charity, and thus I shall rejoice. In this way, such persons are deluded by ignorance. Thank you.